Hey, what's up guys? This is IBC here. This is my brand new first video I've ever done on YouTube. I'm happy to show you guys my build and this YouTube video. I have a lot of things planned for this GTI. This is my brand new car, 2015 Volkswagen GTI S. I don't even know what happened here. Anyways, yeah, but I'm really happy to show you guys this build and car meets and everything that we're planning on doing. I can't wait to show you guys everything. Right now we're about to go to a car meet. We're already late, so let's go. I want to show you guys the car really quick. So yeah, guys, the car's pretty much stock, besides a Borla Catback exhaust. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, let's go. Hey, let me zoom out real quick. Damn, twin turbo. Headers. Wow, this thing is amazing. Crazy ass color. You got a GTR right here. This is nice. The color is nice too, that green one. Beautiful. Really beautiful Shelby right here. 5500. This thing is beautiful. V8 Corvette right here.
Shake that. Shake that.
Mi Toño. This one is crazy. Guys, look at this color. This is crazy. Stops. They're already sending the fucking cops. It's barely been like an hour and they're already sending the cops. This is crazy. This 335 is freaking nice. Carbon fiber and everything. This is a clean as build. Shout out to the person that owns this build. Everybody's leaving, guys. They called the cops. They're already on their way. Crazy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Look, another one right here. He's gonna stop. Oh God. Chill, Toño. Look, another one over there.